There are two major parts in photosynthesis, the light-dependent and the light-independent reactions. Both reactions occur in the chloroplast of the plant cell. Inside of the chloroplast, there are stacks of thylakoids called granum. In a thylakoid membrane is where the light-dependent reactions occur. The light-independent reactions occur in the stroma, the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoid.
The light reaction of photosynthesis begins with water that comes from the roots, and it is split through photolysis, which creates electrons, hydrogen ions, and oxygen is one of the products. And then the electrons are in photosystem 2, and they're excited by the light energy and the photons, and it's also called P680. And then it's excited by the photons, and it comes up to the primary electron acceptor, and then it moves down the electron transport system, and then to photosystem 2, also P700, which is it's then excited again by light energy, and it's pushed up to another electron acceptor, and then it goes down again, and then NADP plus combines with the hydrogen ion to form NADPH, and the hydrogen ions from photolysis then go through chemiosmosis, which drives ATP formation, which occurs in ATP synthase. So an ADP combines with a phosphate to form ATP, and it's cyclic if it doesn't go through the second electron system, and it's non-cyclic if it goes through both and ends with NADPH.
The light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle, takes 6 carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and uses the Rufisco enzyme to fix the carbon to the 5-carbon RUBP. Once the carbon combines with the 5-carbon RUBP, a 6-carbon unstable intermediate forms. The unstable intermediate splits into 2 3-carbon molecules called PGA. From there, PGA is transferred into PGAL by the phosphates from 12 ATP and electrons and hydrogen from 12 NADPH. Once that's gone, 12 ADP are left and 12 NADP plus. 2 of the 12 PGAL split off to form glucose, and the other 10 are transferred and recycled back in the 5-carbon RUBP. So, in total, 1 molecule of glucose is formed, 12 ADP, 12 free-floating phosphates, 12 NADP+.
Water plays a role in the light reaction of photosynthesis. Water comes from the roots in the ground, and it splits through photolysis, which produces electrons, hydrogen atoms or ions, and oxygen.
Chemiosmosis is when a concentration gradient pushes a molecule across the other side to form ATP, and it occurs in the chloroplast and the mitochondria. NADP plus is used as an electron acceptor. In the light reactions, NADP plus combines with electrons and hydrogen to form NADPH. In the Calvin cycle, NADPH is formed to produce PGAL, and NADP plus is formed and recycled back to the light reactions.
Phosphorylation occurs in ATP synthase, and it's when ADP combines with a free-floating phosphate to form ATP.